In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts on Go High Level, full 2025 guide. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account and that you have a clean CSV file ready. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet format. Each column should represent a field like first name, last name, email, and phone. Keeping headers clear and consistent will make the import smooth. From your dashboard, head to the left sidebar and click Contacts. You can work from the main contacts page or switch to Smart List if you prefer filtered views. Both paths work the same for importing. In the upper right, click Import Contacts. A pop-up window will open with your upload options. You can drag and drop your CSV directly into the window or click Select File to browse and choose it from your computer. Once your file is uploaded, Go High Level will scan it and ask you to map your fields. This means matching each column in your CSV to the correct Go High Level field. For example, map first name to first name, last name to last name, email address to email, and phone number to phone. Take your time here. If your CSV uses different labels or includes custom columns, use the drop-downs to match them accurately. For phone numbers, use the full international format with the country code, such as +1 or +63, to ensure texting and calling features work correctly. Next, you'll have the option to add tags to all contacts in this import. Tags are fantastic for segmenting later. You might use something like imported Jan 2025, purchase list, or warm leads. Think about how you'll want to filter or trigger automations later and choose tags that make that easy. Now choose your import options. Leave. Allow duplicates off to avoid creating multiple records for the same person. Turn on Update Existing Records if you want the system to refresh any contacts already in your database with the latest info from your CSV. If you're ready to start automations immediately, you can also add these contacts to a workflow or campaign right from this screen, but only do this if you're confident your settings and messaging are ready. When everything looks good, click Start Import. Go High Level will process the file in the background, which is helpful for large lists. To monitor progress, go to Contacts, then Imports. Here you'll see the status, the number of successful rows, and any errors. If errors appear, you can download a CSV that explains what went wrong so you can correct your source file. Finally, return to the Contacts page to verify that your new entries look right. If you used a tag, filter by that tag to spot check the list and confirm everything imported as expected.